Kenyan High Court upholds impeachment of Gachagua, clears way for Professor Kindiki to be sworn in as Deputy President. In a landmark decision today, the Kenyan High Court upheld the impeachment of former Deputy President Gachagua, dismissing his appeal to overturn Parliament's ruling. The court's decision has not only ended Gachagua's legal attempts to reclaim his office but has also paved the way for Professor Kindiki to be sworn in as Kenya's next Deputy President. The ruling comes after intense legal battles in which Gachagua argued that his impeachment was unconstitutional, claiming that due process was not followed, and the allegations against him were politically motivated. His legal team contended that Parliament failed to present clear evidence of misconduct and insisted that the impeachment was a tactic by political opponents to sideline him. However, the High Court found that the evidence presented by Parliament met the required standards, including accusations of abuse of office and mismanagement of public funds. In its ruling, the court stated that the impeachment process was conducted in accordance with the law, concluding that Gachagua's removal was justified. As the court delivered its verdict, Gachagua's supporters gathered outside, some expressing anger and disbelief, while others called for resilience and continued support for their leader. Inside the courtroom, Gachagua remained stoic as the judge read the ruling. His legal team indicated that while they respect the court's decision, they are considering further options, though today's ruling makes it unlikely that he can contest his removal any further in Kenyan courts. Meanwhile, the ruling has cleared the path for Professor Kindiki, a distinguished scholar and politician, to be sworn in as Deputy President. Kindiki, who has previously served as Cabinet Secretary for the Interior and Coordinator of National Government, is seen by many as a level-headed leader with a track record for fostering unity and discipline in government. In his statement following the ruling, Professor Kindiki expressed gratitude for the trust placed in him and pledged to uphold the values of transparency, service, and accountability in his new role. He also emphasized his commitment to working closely with President Ruto to advance Kenya's national agenda. Political experts suggest that this transition may bring a period of stability to the government following weeks of political tension surrounding Gachagua's impeachment. With Kindiki's swearing in, the administration hopes to refocus on policy implementation and address national issues that had been overshadowed by the impeachment process. However, analysts also warn that this decision could deepen existing political divisions, especially in Gachagua's home region, where his support remains strong. Many of Gachagua's allies have pledged to continue advocating for his legacy and influence in Kenyan politics, even if he no longer holds office. As Kenya watches the unfolding political shift, the swearing-in ceremony for Professor Kindiki is scheduled to take place soon, symbolizing a new chapter for the administration. The coming days will be pivotal as the nation adjusts to its new leadership structure, with the hope that today's decision will bring renewed focus to addressing the issues facing Kenyan citizens. Keep it with Hot News Kenya for more news updates.